Are you facing the issue of YouTube video playback speed not working? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. Now, on the YouTube app, if you tap on the playback speed and you drag it to 2x, but if the playback speed is not working, then the first thing you want to do is update the YouTube application. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Now search YouTube. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Next thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Tap on apps. Then scroll all the way down and find YouTube. Tap on that. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache, then select clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, launch open YouTube, log into your account and check if that problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is simply restart your device. You can either restart or tap on the power off option. After a couple of minutes, you want to again turn your phone on. Now open YouTube and this error should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.